Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. We have seen in the previous class the topic 3 questions, right? This was a topic of king. He had 3 questions, and to get its answer he was just finding a good person, but he did not find any good person, correct appropriate answer he did not find. So what did he do? He had been to hermit, and hermit answered it after some giving him experiences, right? I hope it's clear. This topic is understood to you. So over that topic there are some questions, and today we will be solving its exercise. So I request everyone to turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Yeah, wonderful. Get a textbook. Get your honeycomb textbook and open page number 14. Open page number 14. In previous class we have seen the topic 3 questions, and there was a homework. I had told you already to read the topic. I hope you have read it. Have you read the topic? Okay. So we are going to check whether you have understood or no the exercise questions. Okay. And there are some questions like comprehension check, then working with language, which is match of the following, then complete the sentence with the appropriate words. That is question number 2. So these questions we will be seeing today. Let's check. I'll write the board. Today we are going to see its exercise. Date 26 7 2021. It's Monday. Okay. So let's start the exercise. First question is complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of sentences given in the box. So here questions are given half. Okay, we have to complete the remaining sentence by taking the help of the words or sentence in the box. So in the box below, after 5 questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. After that there is one box and there are clues given. Okay. So I will be writing question number 1 on the board. Yes, I would like to ask this question. Srishti, just unmute and read the question. Srishti, unmute and read the question. Yes, Srishti? Yes, read the question. Question number 1. Many wise men. Page number 14. Okay, it's echoing. Harsha, can you read? Harsha? Okay. I'll only read it, children. Thank you. There is some echoing in Sush's mic. Many wise men answered the king's question. Page number 14. The first question you see. Many wise men answered the king's question. What is its answer? How to complete it? For completing, the options are given here. But the bleeding would not stop. to answer 3 questions. Third option is, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Next option is, and follow it strictly. And the last option is, to help the king act at right time. So what is matching to this first question? Many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. So I'll write the answer on the board. You also note it down in your book and complete the exercise along with me. Okay? But their answers were so varied. This is R, okay? Varied that the king was not satisfied. Second number, all the answers only I will be writing on the board. Okay, all the answers I will be writing on the board. Only answers. Second, someone suggested that there should be a council wise men. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. For what? To help the king at the right time. To help the king at right time. Okay. Next, third number. Someone else suggested that the king should have timetable. Someone else suggested that the king should have timetable. And what is the next half part of the sentence? Which is from the options, check and follow it strictly. And follow it strictly. Everyone, turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Let me check whether you are completing it or no along with me. Turn on your camera, children. And follow it strictly. Number 4. The king requested the hermit dash. Answer is, the king requested hermit to answer 3 questions. Hermit to ANSWER answer 3 questions. Okay. Next, question number 5. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound dash. What is its answer? Now the remaining one, which is remaining? But the bleeding would not stop. But the bleeding means flow of blood coming out of the body. Bleeding would not stop. So this is question number, page number 15 or 14. It's 14, yeah. Page number 14, exercise number 1, comprehension check. Okay. These are the answers of it. I hope you have completed along with me. If you haven't done it, you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this, children. Question number 1. Many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Question number 2. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king at right time. Someone else suggested that, question number 3 I am reading. Someone else suggested that the king should have timetable and follow it strictly. Question number 4. The king requested to Hamid to answer 3 questions. Question number 5. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. You have to take the screenshot if you are slow writers. Now let's see the second part. Second part is about question and answers that I will be sharing with you on the group. Okay, I will be sharing PDF in the Teach Me tab. Next part is about working with language. Page number 15. Page number 15. Working with language. It's very easy. Even you can do it by your own. Very easy. But as it's a virtual schooling, I need to help you. For that purpose, we are solving it in the class. Match the items list A with the list B. What is list A? I will be writing all the list A here and B here. Okay. First, wounded. Second, awoke. Third, forgive. Fourth, faithful. Five, pity. Six, beds. Beds. Seven, return. Okay. 7, return. Here 8, got up from sleep. B number is give back. C number is small patches of ground of plants. Small patches of ground for plants. What is it called? That we have seen. Okay, when I explained you the topic, that time I explained this also. Right? Next, B number is severely injured. Injured. E number, pardon. F number, loyal. G number, feel sorry for. Okay, so we have to match column A with column B. Page number 15, question number 1. So fainted meaning is given here, lost consciousness. Synonyms we have to find. What does it mean wounded? What does it mean awoke, forgive, faithful, pity, beds and return? Its synonym we have to find and match accordingly. Okay. Sahana, can you answer first one? Sahana,
Yes, miss.
can you answer the first?
First question, ma'am.
Yes. What does it mean wounded?
Wounded, ma'am. Severely injured, ma'am.
Yes, severely injured. Correct. So you can drag a line from wounded. You can draw a line from wounded to severely injured. Very good, Sahana. Yes, Shraddha. Next question is for you. Awoke. Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What does it mean awoke?
Got up from sleep, ma'am.
Correct. Got up from sleep. Next question is for Sanchita. Forgive. Sanchita, what does it mean forgive? Can you answer, Sanchita? What does it mean forgive?
Yes.
Will you answer? Forgive means pardon. Forgive means pardon. At least second, next, can you answer, Sanchita? Faithful. Can you answer? What does it mean faithful? Hmm?
Loyal, ma'am.
Right, loyal. Faithful means loyal. Very good. Next, right, absolutely right, Sanchita. Next, Bhuvan, can you answer? Next question. Pity. Pity. Word is not clear. Pity. Pity. Meaning of pity. Yes. Feel sorry for. Very good. Feel sorry for. Next, beds. I told you Harmit was making bed. Making bed means for plantation. Okay. For sowing the seeds. So beds means small patches of ground for plants. And last, return means, as you know, very easy. Return means give back. Give back. Fantastic. Very good. So next, yes, is it done? Take a screenshot if you want. Otherwise, you have to do it with me only, children. Okay? You have to do along with me. It's very easy. You can solve it in seconds. Okay? Considering that you have done, I will erase the board. So match the following means you have to always in English what does it come? It belongs to synonyms of the words. Next question is we have to use a word which is given into the bracket that we have to use into the sentence. Okay? Sometimes we have to change the form of the word while using it in the sentence. Noun are converted into adjectives and used. Okay, they are converted into adverbs also sometimes. According to the place of that word in the sentence, it is changed. Okay, so see question number 2. Each of the following sentence has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in the bracket. In the bracket, one word is given and its 2 forms we have to use in the sentence. So 2 vacant places, 2 places are given to fill in the blank. As an example, there is one question given here, colored one, you see, which is put in the orange color. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? So, promise word is used two-way. Two-way promise word is used in the sentence. Same way, we have to use the word which is given in the bracket into the sentence by changing its form if it is required. First, the dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. What will be the answer? Can anybody answer this?
Judge and judge.
Right. Judge and second? First is judge, correct. Judgment, right. Absolutely right. So, page number 15, question number 2. Question number 2, 1. So, question number 1. First is judge. J-U-D-G-E.
Judgment.
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 Judgment. Exactly. Very good. Now, see the second.
Miss, your voice is cutting.
My voice is cutting.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
You.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, but I am at good network, best children. Please check your network as well. Huh? Question number 2. I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debates, although they dash from the another over small points. Differ is a word into the bracket. We have to use it at proper place, okay, by changing its form. So at first place, what can be the answer? Can anybody answer? Purvi, can you answer? Question number 2, Roman 2. Differ is a word. Purvi, can you answer?
Differ and differ.
Correct. Difference is the first word.
Different, ma'am. Difference and differ, ma'am.
Difference and second is differed.
Differ and different, ma'am.
Not different, differed. It will not be different. It will be differed. Okay. Although they differed from one another over small points, differed will come there. Okay. Now, third question. It's a fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as final? What will be the answer? Khushi? Khushi or Jayashree?
Answer and answer.
Correct. Absolutely right. Answer and answer.
Answer is answer, ma'am.
Yes. First also answer. Second also answer. Absolutely right, children. Okay. These both are only. This is also R. This is also R. Differently written. Okay. Next. Question number 4. Unnecessarily do not unmute and speak anything. Arsh, can you answer? Next question. It isn't dash. That dash should always be. I have muted everyone because some children are making some different sounds which is disturbing to the class. See 4 number, it isn't dash, that dash should always be the mother of invention. Necessary is the word. Okay. So it isn't necessary. So first word will be necessary. And second, that necessity should always, necessity, necessity. We have to change the form according to the sentence requirement. Okay. So at the second place, what will be the answer? Necessity. Next you see 5th number, hermits are dash men. Hermits are what type of men? That we have to mention. Dash men. How they acquire their dash, no one can tell. So wise is the word which is given in the bracket. So hermits are wise men. First is wise. And how do they acquire their wisdom? Wise, wisdom. Okay? Wise, wisdom. Next, 6th question you see. The committee has dash to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. The committee has decided, past form. The committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. Now we have to convert this into noun. What is the noun of decide? Decision. Okay? Decision is the noun form. So the decision is like to please everyone. Means please means here happy. Everyone was happy by seeing this decision, by listening this decision. Now number 7. Asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. Now the word which is there in the bracket, forgive. Forgive is the word in the bracket. That we have to use it in different way. Asking for what? Forgive will come or forgiveness? Forgiveness. Asking for forgiveness. Asking for forgiveness is as noble as willing to forgive. Okay? So this way we have to use nouns, adjectives and verb forms into the sentence wherever it is required. So sometimes in English same word can be transferred or formed into another words. Noun can be converted into adjectives. Okay? Sometimes verbs also can be converted into, like for example, decide. You see, decide is a verb that is converted into noun. Decision is a noun. So such a way we can convert the words into different ways. Okay, we can convert its forms. Got it? So according to the its place in the sentence, that form will take place. I hope it's clear to you. Please take a screenshot of this and complete it. Those who have completed along with me, pat your back for doing good job. I hope it is done. Screenshot is taken, so I will erase it. Now, let's see the further part of this exercise. The further part for the topic 3 question is speaking and writing. What do you need to do there? You have to imagine that you are a king. You need to imagine that you are a king and you have to narrate incident of your meeting the hermit, and you have to begin like this. The wise man answered my questions. Like, you should think that you are a king and you have to speak accordingly. You have to narrate the story in your own words, thinking that you are a king of the story, And second question is that you have to imagine yourself as a hermit and you have to narrate a story. I hope it's clear to you. It's a speaking skill. To develop the speaking skill, you have to practice that. So you can tell the same story thinking yourself as a king. To your cousins you can express, you can narrate it to your parents as well. And same story you have to convert, or you have to say it, or you have to narrate it to your parents or cousins, thinking that you are hermit of the story. Okay? So it will be a task, it's a activity for you. You can have it today. Okay? So let's see next topic, that squirrel. It's a poem. Okay? Topic is poem, the squirrel. I hope you have seen squirrel. How does it look? Very tiny animal, right? Very tiny animal squirrel is. Am I right? And what did you find on her back? Did you find anything on her back?
Tails.
Yes, what did you find?
Question mark.
3 lines. Have you seen 3 lines on her back? Yeah. And how does its tail looks like? How does its tail look like?
Ma'am, what about first working with text, ma'am? Answer the following question.
Sorry? Repeat your question, please.
Working with text. What about working with text? Question and answers, ma'am.
That I will be sharing it with you today. Okay?
PDF will be shared.
In assignment, I will share.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Teachment assignments, I will share. So, you can observe. What is this? This is a tail. Tail of a squirrel. How does it look like? I will put up this. How does it look like?
Question mark.
Right. It looks like a question mark. So you can see. Yes, you can see here in the textbook a squirrel picture is shown. It's a very tiny animal which is of brown color, and it has fur over its body with a tail. Okay, with a furry tail. And how when the squirrel sits at some place, it gives this shape to its tail. Taking the tail up, the squirrel sits. So how the shape is seen like a question mark. Very interesting, right? So let's see the poem, The Squirrel. You may have seen squirrel sitting on the ground and eating nuts, right? So do you like that? Do you like squirrel animal, small animal? Very beautiful, right? And yes, it gets scared. It gets scared when we go closer. It runs away quickly. Have you observed? If you go for catching that squirrel, or if you want to go nearer to the squirrel, it runs away quickly. Very fast animal it is. So here is a poet, Armstrong, has described the behavior of the squirrel. Let's see. I will read the poem for you. He wore a question mark for tail. He means here squirrel. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went to other way. So here Armstrong has made a poem, short poem on squirrel. So its behavior is expressed in this poem. How is the behavior of the squirrel? How does she look? Okay, how does the squirrel act? That is expressed. Once again, I will be reading and explaining you. He wore a question mark for tail. The squirrel has a tail, and when the squirrel sits, its tail looks like a question mark. An overcoat of grey colored overcoat. Overcoat means like a blazer or coat, jacket. It's wearing. Is it actually wearing? No. But the poet has given a poetic expression for this, and it's saying that the poet is saying that it's wearing a grey coat over its body. Furry grey coat the squirrel is wearing. He sat up straight to eat a nut. How does the squirrel sits? The squirrel sits to eat nut very straight and starts eating with the both front two hands, okay, front two legs. It liked to tease and play. To whom the squirrel tease? To the children, right? Children tease and play. It's like that squirrel likes to play and tease to the children, but actually it is not teasing. The children, when they go closer, it runs away. It likes to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, when we are going behind the squirrel, where the squirrel is sitting under the tree, if we will go and we will try to catch it, it went the other way. It goes by the other way and quickly moves, right? So this is the story written by the poet Millard Bowers Armstrong. Very fantastic poem. But there are no questions over this, just only one stanza is there for this poem. Okay, I will reread it in poetic expressions. See, he wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, it went to other way. So there are rhymes made here. See, grey, play, play, way. So there are rhymes also made in 4 lines poem. Why does the poet say that the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? Draw a squirrel and find a picture of squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? Why is it so told by the poet? Because when the poet see the squirrel sitting and eating a nut, it makes a shape, tail shape like a question. So the poet says it. Do you usually say that an animal wears a tail? Animal wears a tail? No. Actually animals has the tail. What do you say? Think, does the animal wear coat? Consult the dictionary if you like and find out how wear is used in different way. Here, wear a grey coat means what the poet want to say. Here, wear a tail is a poetic expression or poetic description is given in the poem. In a dictionary actually, wear means to have or to cover. Wear means to have or to cover. Okay. So what does it mean for in dictionary when we see wear means to have or to cover. But just actually the squirrel is not wearing it. God has gifted that skin. Okay, it's structure of that squirrel. It's already there with the squirrel. But to make it poetic, to give the poem a more poetic expression, this poet Armstrong has used this phrase that an overcoat of grey. The squirrel puts overcoat of grey is to make the poetic expression it is used. Next question, please you see children. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing to whom? Okay, and how? Here the squirrel is teasing to the children, and the children are running around the tree to catch the squirrel. Right? Have you understood this poem, squirrel? Have you understood, children? Very fantastic poem it is. You are supposed to read this poem today, okay? And today you are supposed to complete the question answers of the topic 3 questions. I will be sharing it with you in our app, okay? In our Teachment app. Thank you all.